What's up, guys? Welcome to a cast of Doc's Car Care. Here we are talking about paint protection film and the benefits it's going to do to provide for your car. Obviously, it's the ultimate paint protection, ultimate UV protection, lifelong protection really for your car. We're going to spray it with some alcohol here. We're massaging it out, and we're going to take our squeegee and squeegee out that water and that air and get a nice tight fit. And that excessive amount we've got here, we're actually going to squeegee that down too. It's going to help us when we stretch it down, work our way down the edge. It's so important that we really get all that moisture around those edges there too. Go ahead and massage it, work those air pockets out. We're going to take a look at the other side here in a second. You're going to see what I'm talking about. Here we're stretching it down, we're stretching it, we're massaging out the soap. We're going to spray it with some alcohol in a minute. We'll come back with a squeegee. This is what we do, man. Hey, if we can do anything for you, let us know. We're all here about helping you be successful in your car care and protection. I'm Doc with Doc's Car Care. We'll catch you next time.